Where are we going?
To school.
Yeah.
Mama, it was you like everywhere at canteen.
No. Hi, Fizz. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. You guys, it is early in the morning. I'm giving you guys a little quick update on my 28 weeks going on 29 weeks pregnancy. I am.
And then 13. And then 13.
Stop walking like that.
And then the 13. 9 is 1 week to go.
1 week to go.
1 week to go. And then when it's 40, baby, it's 0 weeks to go. And baby, she's not gonna be here.
Yeah, you're excited?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm going to the doctor right now for another weekly monitoring of Princess Sarah. You're going to school. You have doctor tomorrow. Okay? Kyla gonna see his doctor tomorrow. Yes.
Have the doctor again?
No. Anyway, you guys, I am heading out to go to a weekly monitoring. So of course I'll let you guys know how that go when it's done. But I'm dropping Nugget to school. Baby's already gone to work. So yeah, just coming in to check in with you guys. Hopefully you guys are having a good day, a fabulous day, a wonderful day. Stay loved, stay blessed. Love you guys. It's beautiful weather here. It's hot, super hot. But yeah. Yes, baby? No, you tricked me. Okay. 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 Tell Phil, see you guys later. How is your foot feeling? How is your foot? Where you get the bubble? Yeah, how is it? Tell Phil how it feel. It's better now?
It feel bad.
It feel bad?
Yeah.
So I put him in a pants, a long pants today instead of a shorts. Just so he doesn't have to kind of focus on it much. But I don't put any band-aid over it just because I want it to catch fresh air so that he can heal up really fast, because he have a big event in 2 days for school. On Saturday he'll be out almost all day participating in activities and stuff for school that we have to take him to. So hopefully he'll feel a little bit better. Right now he's kind of jogging, pulling that leg, pulling his right leg a little bit.
I'm blind.
Yeah.
Mama, I saw somebody in the ambulance say hello like that.
So you should have waved back. He's kind of jogging his foot right now, but he'll be okay as soon as he gets to school. Anyway, you guys, you're not jogging it anymore? You sure? Alright, tell Fizz later. Tell him bye-bye. So I'm here at the doctor. My monitoring has started as usual. All hooked up. I'm seeing everything over there. Having a contraction right now. See how big this number is right here? That means I'm having a contraction. That's my heartbeat there. And baby girl heartbeat is a little number down. But yeah, I'm here. As you guys can see, I've roughly straightened my hair because I want to try and get something done to it. But because I have to take my time, like each day I have to do a little until I get it done. But let's see what my final decision is gonna be. I have something in mind, so let's see if I can start doing that today and how far I've accomplished, because I'll have a busy day tomorrow and I'll have a busy day the day after that. So I'll be busy for the next 2 days, so let's see. Anyway, I'm not doing too bad today in terms of how I'm feeling. I'm not feeling much contractions. They're still coming, but not as often and as frequent as they used to. But you know, anything can change in like this. But we're here, getting monitoring done. Big girl. Contraction. There we go. Yes. I'll give you guys more update when I leave to see what the final results going to show. You guys, I am home, and as I got home I ran directly to the kitchen. That's how hungry I am. My appointment was very early in the morning, so whatever I ate before I leave home, I used up all that energy while I was out, and I was hungry. I couldn't hold it anymore, so I'm having some fried chicken and rice. Quick update from the doctor. This monitoring, I'm just gonna talk to you guys while I'm eating. Sorry guys, I know I'm not supposed to do that, but hey, your girl multitasking, a lot of things to do around here. This monitoring went completely different from all the others, meaning I am contracting more, and it's so consistent. It shows where I'm having contractions every 5 minutes, some very high and some medium. They're not low this time like the last time, but at the same time it was nothing alarming, because when I feel them, it's nothing that makes me cringe, but at the same time I feel it. So yeah, having contractions every 5 minutes. They're not intense, but they're coming, they're there. So I have 2 weeks to go. By the time you guys see this, it will be a little under 2 weeks if your girl is not here yet. I have my last OBG appointment in a few days. So everything is just final appointments at this point. So yeah, apart from that though, she's doing well. She's okay. Mama Bear is good. So that's where we're at right now. Contractions still coming. They're more frequent. They're more strong. So let's see what's good, honey. Apart from that, I'm home. I'm eating. And then I'm gonna try and see if I can start doing my hair today. So let's see what will happen today. forehead is so shine. So this is where I'm at so far. I finally finished putting in all the elastic bands. Let me give you guys a glimpse. Hopefully you guys can see that. So all the elastic bands are in my head. And now the next process is to add the braids in on the elastic bands. But first I need to take a break and get something to eat because I am super hungry. But I'm getting there slowly but surely, and I am going to finish today.
Hi guys, well, hello. Hi guys, well, I'm back home. With Tyler. Done it for you. Hold on, Tyler. We just come back from the supermarket. Yes, Tyler. Done it for you? But hold on, we're not ready. Look.
What do you have to say to the face? Say hi, face. I'm back from school.
I feel back from school.
And where did you go?
To the supermarket.
You went to the supermarket?
Yeah.
And what did you get at the supermarket? Show me.
Sweet
You got
sweet pepper.
Sweet pepper?
Yeah.
for who?
For who?
For Mama.
Oh, is Mama? What Mama gonna do with the sweet pepper? She gonna eat it like this or she gonna cook it?
She's gonna cook.
Okay. What you looking for? Take anything, Tyler.
This is compact for me
Hold on.
and not for Mama. And
Hold on, Papa don't see you.
This is compact for me, not for Mama and Papa.
Okay. You like compote?
Yeah.
A compote for what? At school?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is some underwear for Papa.
This is some underwear for Papa, but you're not showing my underwear.
New stock.
Thank you, Tyler.
Papa, new stock, guy.
This is cereal.
Cereal?
Mama, I'm gonna show you the cereal.
Okay.
Okay.
Look.
This is personal stuff, so I'm not gonna comment on this too. So this is cereals for who?
For Mama, Papa, and Mama and baby sister.
Attention. What is that?
Donut for me.
Donut for you and who?
Mama and you.
Okay, thank you. I was about to say you're gonna say you and you. This is for who?
Chocolate made for me, not for Mama and Papa.
And for who else?
Papa.
For Papa?
Yeah.
Thank you.
What's that?
Chocolate milk.
And he's giving you some?
You give Papa some chocolate milk.
Yes.
Thank you.
Papa. Apple juice for Papa and me and Mama.
Okay.
And more apple juice.
More apple juice. Wow. What is that? Show Faith, what is that? Show them.
Start with P.
With P?
Yes.
No.
Is that with B?
We.
Banana.
Banana? And how do you spell banana?
I don't know.
Listen to it. Ba.
Ba.
C'est quelle lettre que tu entends?
B.
Et après B, c'est quoi?
A.
Oui. Na.
N.
Et après? Na. N avec quoi?
A.
Oui. Et après na, c'est quoi?
N.
Avec quoi?
A.
Oui. Good job. So how does banana spell?
B. A. N. E. E. N. N. E.
Good job. So you spell banana by yourself? You're a smart boy. Careful. So what is that? Show Faith what is that. Look at the camera, Tyler. Show to the camera what is that. Don't look at Papa. Look at Faith.
This is toast for me.
Toast for you?
Yes.
Okay. And what is that? You have to be careful with that.
X for Mama
Put
and
it,
Papa.
no, Tyler, Mila. Put it there on the side because it can break easily. Okay? What is that?
This is some chicken for Mama and Papa.
Show Faith.
And me.
And what is that?
This is more
Look at
chicken.
Faith. You don't look
More
at Faith.
chicken.
More chicken? And what is that?
Mama, what is it?
I can't see it from here, baby. Ask Papa.
Papa's quoi?
It's more chicken.
More chicken. It's chicken? Mama, it's chicken?
If Papa says yes, my love.
Yes.
And what is that? Show Faith what is that?
Pour faire des enfants.
Pour la fête des enfants? C'est quoi la fête des enfants?
Et pour la fête de l'école.
Oh, is the party at school?
Yes.
Oh, you're gonna have a party at school?
Yes.
When?
Je vais amener ça pour la fête de l'école.
Okay, and what is that?
Juste pas pour la fête de l'école.
Pour la fête de l'école encore?
Oui.
Wow! And this is a surprise. What is that?
Fois pour fête de l'école.
No, it's fry for home, not for fête de l'école.
Fries?
It's oil.
Oh, it's all to fry the fries.
Allez, mets-le sur le côté.
Non.
C'est quoi encore dedans? Mais non, il y a Trickstar.
C'est un net. C'est un net.
No.
Si.
No, you're Trickstar. Hey guys, that was a little supermarket. That wasn't much, but that was just a little bit more stuff, some ham, and oh, chicken liver. I'll take some chicken liver. I like liver. And see this slide behind me is not nice. And some yogurt. I didn't show you yogurt, but yes, we get yogurt. As French people, we need yogurt at the end of the day. Whew, that's it.
End of the day, the end of every meal.
The end of every meal. Yeah, that's it. That wasn't much. No parade today. What's going on, baby? No
You tell
parade.
me.
Oh no, I guess everybody wanted parade and no more parade on the supermarket. Maybe a lot of people pregnant. Yeah, that have been a long day. So now I'm gonna pack up everything. I hope you also had a long day. Tyler looks fine. I was excited. He got some cheese and he wants to eat cheese every time now. So next time we're gonna have to go cheese hunt. Tyler, you want to go cheese hunt with Papa?
Yeah.
You want to hunt a lot of cheese?
Yeah.
How many cheese do you want?
10.
You want 10 cheese?
Yeah.
Which color?
Red.
Yeah. You want red cheese? Okay. You like blue cheese?
Yeah.
We're gonna get blue cheese.
Yeah.
And red cheese.
And you know what they used to say?
What?
The more stinky it is, the best it is.
Yo.
You want stinky cheese?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, you guys. There is my hair. I just finished and give it some hot water so it's a little bit wet. It is 4 a.m. in the morning, but I'm happy I got it done. I am going to bed to catch a few hours because I have an early appointment to head out with Tyler in the morning. Well, in like 4 hours. So I have 4 hours sleep to get. But I'll come home back after the appointment and just sleep all day. So I just wanted to show you guys a finished look. there goes my hair all done. It's the first I'm doing it this big. It's the second time I'm attempting to braid my hair by myself, and I think I did pretty well. I love the pop of red in there. It's something new for me. It's the first I'm doing this pop of bright color. Anyway guys, thanks for watching today's vlog. Mission accomplished, and now I am heading to bed to get some rest because your girl is tired with this girl. I'm still having contractions. I was having contractions through the entire time doing my hair, but I was moving so slow like a snail. I wasn't in no rush. I couldn't even rush if I wanted to. So anyway, I think it's time for me to go and lay down. So give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if it's your first time to the fam bam. Love you guys, and I'll